Hey guys, this is Nick from forexnoobs.com with my midday analysis. Just a quick notification before the analysis. Right now, the Forex Mastermind course is open for enrollment for a few days. Visit the link below this video to check out the course. So before I start the analysis, I want to explain how it works so you can actually use it in your trading. On most Tuesdays, Wednesdays, and Thursdays, I hold a live analysis session for my Forex Mastermind students. These sessions are recorded and posted to YouTube. I say most because some days I'm busy and other days I'm not trading, and I have a rule: when I'm not trading, I do not post analysis. In the analysis, I look for price action reversal setups on around 10 to 20 pairs that I'm currently trading. I check every time frame for every pair, taking a systematic approach to doing analysis. Personally, I do this analysis several times per day, but only the midday session is recorded as most setups are spotted then. So what are setups? A reversal setup occurs when price stalls at an area of support resistance and a transition of power occurs, from buyers to sellers or from sellers to buyers. I wait for price to approach these areas and spot potential setups. But these setups are not actual trades. When I share a setup on this analysis, it doesn't mean I'm entering the trade right away. Setups are just setups, and many setups do not trigger, so they never actually become trades. But some of them do, of course, and some of them become trades. To understand this, you have to know a little bit about my strategy, which I share for free on forexnoobs.com, and there's a link to the strategy also below. I use 4 different tags in the name of these analysis videos. The tags are in brackets at the end of the name. It's important to know these tags just so you understand what is in the video. So if you see no setups, that means there are no setups today, obviously. If you see upcoming setups on, that means there are no setups, but I have spotted some very strong support resistance areas, which may lead to setups later in the day. So that could be anywhere between a few hours to a whole day. And if it's tagged with setups on, that means there are setups today, and I'm sharing potential trades in the video itself. So let's get started with the analysis. Hey guys, welcome to today's analysis. Today is Tuesday the 13th of June, 2013, what? Tuesday the 13th of June, 2017. The time is 13:02 here in the UK. You're looking at a New Zealand USD, actually let's go to the top of the list. You're looking at an AUD-CAD daily chart. Today's analysis is going to be quite short. I need to get out of here in like 30 minutes, even less than 30 minutes. So I'm just going to rush through everything. That way I can get this done and I can get it uploaded to YouTube. So just a warning, I'm going to be going through things fast, closer to the speed that I do the analysis when I'm on my own, when I don't need to talk my way through it. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so AUD-CAD, you're looking at AUD-CAD daily. Let's have a look at the 12-hour, 8 hour, 6 hour, 4 hour. Interesting. All right, so what's going on with AUD-CAD? It's just broken through the support area. So it could just keep going straight down, but we could also get a pullback to resistance and a continuation. So keep a close eye for a potential continuation, but you know, right now we're not seeing any real signs of that. All right, NZDJPY daily has broken above resistance / support. Nothing really going on there. AUD New Zealand is sitting in between 2 support resistance areas, so nothing terribly exciting there. AUD USD has broken above the resistance area. Keep a close eye on this in case it comes back down and pulls up, so possible continuation. But you know, these aren't potential setups because it's not doing that yet. I'm just saying you should watch this specific area, this 0.7500. It is a strong area of support resistance. So it's very possible that we'll get like a move down to here and then a continuation. So keep a close eye on that. CAD CHF was a trade there last week, wasn't there? A long trade. Anyway, there's nothing really going on here right now. So yeah, CAD JPY. All right, CAD JPY, I think there was a long trade there last week too. Yeah, there was. Who's still in that long? Anyone? No? Alright, fair enough. Well, long trade there. Looks to be going well. Doesn't look like anyone's still in it. But there's no potential trade there today. Euro AUD, 12 hour, 8 hour, 6 hour, 4 hour. Nothing. Whoa, EURCAD. Hello. Hello, hello, hello. That looks good. That looks really good. We got a potential long trade forming here. This looks quite nice. So EURCAD potential long. We have a nice strong preceding trend heading into a very strong support area. And we have a potential reversal here. Keep a very close eye on EURCAD. It is looking good. Actually, I was looking at that one earlier today. I forgot about that. Yeah, someone brought that up to me. I think it was Simon from the forum. Euro GBP. Nothing much. Keep a close eye on Euro GBP for a potential continuation. So I'm watching this level here, the 0.8750. Move down, possible continuation. Watching that one. Eric, I'm not quite sure what you're referring to. Eric said you took the 4 hour. Okay, my bad. Lee, you were responding to someone else. Okay, cool. All right, Euro JPY is just stuck in between support resistance. Euro New Zealand, looks like it's trending down. Nothing really much happening here. Euro USD is in between support resistance areas. Nothing much. GBP AUD. All right, GBP AUD looks to be pushing up from support. Alright, but nothing that we could trade there. Sorry again, guys, for speeding through this fast. Normally the analysis is a little bit more relaxed and a little bit slower. Like I was saying earlier, for those of you who missed it, who skipped to this part of the video, I am in a big rush today because I have to get out of here. Alrighty. Go away, Tiggy. Go away. Go away. Sorry, my cat's on my table. I left my door open because I was in such a rush and I wasn't as prepared as I normally would be. Sorry. All right, 12 hour. GBPCHF actually looks quite interesting. I'm going to be watching this one on the daily. It's definitely stalling on the support area. I mean, there's no doubt about that. It's stalling here. So this could be the start of a potential reversal. It's a counter trend trade, but it could be the start of a reversal on GBPCHF. The reason I think it could be the start of a trend reversal is because this is a very strong support area. Like all through here, it's a very strong support area. So we might be seeing the start of what could be a major reversal here. Let's keep a very close eye on GBPCHF. It could be good. All right, GBPJPY, a bit of a different story. We have a potential continuation. Keep a close eye on GBPJPY. What's happening here? Prices drop below support. It's come back up to it. It's testing resistance. We could get a move down. So keep a close eye on GBPJPY. Also, what was I up to? GBP New Zealand, I think I was up to. Yeah, but there's nothing much going on GBP New Zealand. All right, GBP USD. It looked like. Anyone long on GBP USD? It's a nice little long trade here. Lee, will you talk? All right, yeah. So Lee, you're long. All right, nice man. Nice, you're doing well. This could be hitting target very, very soon for you. Lee, I would love to break this down further and take a look at this trade for you and give you some analysis on it. But yeah, I just don't have the time today, man. All right, okay, so New Zealand CAD. But good work with that. Good work. It looks like it's hitting your 1.5 very soon, depending on where you're entering your stop is. So good work so far. New Zealand CAD. New Zealand CAD stalling on top of a support area. I don't really like this trade. I don't even like this pair. I don't even know why I have it here. New Zealand JPY. What is happening with New Zealand JPY? Potential continuation, but it's already triggered, so too late. New Zealand USD. Oh man, New Zealand USD. This was a failed trade for me. Just a heads up to anyone who isn't a Forex Mastermind member. You haven't been on the forum, obviously, because you can't be. We took this trade, well, some of us did, including me, and it failed. I was talking about this trade last week. It was counter trend. It was a risky trade, but I thought that there would be enough bearish power to hit my small target, but it just didn't happen. But you know, that's part of trading. You can't always get good trades. You're gonna get bad trades sometimes. All right, let's keep a close eye on USDCAD. It's stalling at support. Yeah, it's stalling on top of the support area. It's a bit below the support area, but you know, it might be worth taking. On the 8 hour, it kind of looks good. Let's just keep a close eye on it. I don't know really what's going to happen with it, but it's worth watching. USDJPY is the final pair, and it is doing nothing really. All right, so let's review real quick, guys. EURCAD looking good for a potential long trade. It's stalling across the board, so that looks good. I'm probably going to watch this on the 6 hour. Oh, it's already triggering on the 6 hour, and that indecision candle is quite low in the support area. Honestly, I'd want my entry to be a bit higher. So I'm going to watch this on, well, I'm going to watch this on pretty much all the time frames. I'm going to be keeping a close eye on this over the course of the day on my phone. Mobile trading is awesome. So 6, 8, 12, and daily, I'll be keeping a close eye on that. GBPCHF, this one, you know, doesn't look quite as nice, but I'll be keeping a close eye on this too, mostly on the 12 hour and the daily. Well, actually, probably on the daily, because it's already triggered on the 12 hour, so it's too late for that. But I want to see how this closes on the daily. GBPJPY, a possible continuation. This is happening on the lower time frames. So I'm going to be watching this on the 6 hour, perhaps the 8 hour, maybe even the 4 hour. So this would be a possible continuation trade. 4, 6, 8 hour time frames, something like that. And finally, USDCAD. USDCAD doesn't look that good. It's actually below my support area. So this is a bit risky, but I'm watching it anyway. I'm just watching closely. I just want to see what happens. I want to see how this 8 hour candle closes in 47 minutes. I want to see what happens after that. Just get a good idea of what's happening in this area, if it's worth taking a trade. And what is happening here on USDCAD is a very, go away. Sorry guys, my cat is he's just such an attention seeker. So yeah, where were we? Yeah, so USDCAD is a perfect example of why we switch time frames, why we don't focus on a single time frame. On the 8 hour, this looks like a pretty decent reversal setup. On the 12 hour, it does not. On the daily, it does not. On the 4 hour, it does not. On the 6 hour, it does not. So only the 8 hour is where it looks like a good reversal setup. So if you were focusing all your attention on the 8 hour and ignoring all the other time frames, this could mislead you. The fact that I'm switching time frames allows me to see that this might not even be a reversal setup. You know, it just so happens to look that way because that's how the candles closed on the 8 hour. So sticking to one time frame can fool you. Reading price action across multiple time frames gives you a much clearer picture of what's going on. So with this USDCAD, I don't really think there's much chance of a reversal here. I'm going to watch it closely anyway, because what I am seeing is price stalling on support. Even though it's to the low end of support, we're still seeing price stalling, so it's worth keeping an eye on. Alrighty guys, I think that is it. Sorry, I'm not going to do questions today. I need to get out of here. So this is a quick analysis, but tomorrow we will be doing questions and everything. So yeah, thank you guys for attending, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Thanks for watching the analysis. I hope it was useful. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit the like button below. In case you missed it, Forex Mastermind, my online training course and forum, is now open for enrollment for a few days. Check it out by clicking the link below this video. Also, for instant notifications when I post analysis or other cool videos, subscribe to my YouTube channel by clicking the subscribe button below. Once the setups I share in this analysis trigger, I post live updates as I manage the trade, such as my entry, exit, stop, and when to get out of the trade. For these updates, add me on Facebook or Twitter by clicking the buttons below. I'll see you in the next video.